Okay. What was the last piece of advice you remember giving? Mira? Mira?
Yes?
Let's try and stay focused, okay? You're doing a really great job. Now, what was the last piece of advice you remember giving?
Right. Well, I noticed Kiara's been having some trouble at school. Sometimes she can be a bit much for the other kids. I don't want her to feel alone, but I don't want her ever to change.
Do you think you're a good mother?
I hope I am. Sometimes it's hard to tell. I try my best.
Well, Mira, this is a really brave thing that you're doing for her.
I guess it's comforting to know that if something were to happen, it'd be like I'd still be around.
Well, with this solution, she may not even be able to tell the difference.
But she would, right?
Some families choose not to tell when a replicant model's replaced a loved one. For their own sake.
I want to be clear. I want her to know exactly what this is, because it's just for her.
We acknowledge the will of our references. But the rights of distribution ultimately lie in the hands of the holder. We would be the holder.
Wait, so what does that mean?
It means any and all models created by the company are subject to be licensed to third parties. Let's move on.
I don't think I'm comfortable with this if it's going to anyone other than my daughter.
You're free to leave, but it's better for the fidelity of the model if you stay for the interview in its entirety. For Kiara's sake.
Do you buy lottery tickets?
Yeah,
Do you donate to charity?
sometimes.
Do you eat meat?
No, not anymore.
Do you believe in God?
I'm sorry?
Okay, I think we have all the information we need. Thank you for your time. If you have any further questions, feel free to give our office a call. Don't. Think of who you're taking this from.
Who am I really taking this from? Why would something like this belong to anyone other than me?
Regardless of who owns it, it's in good hands.
I can't trust that.
Mira, look, this is gonna help a lot of people, okay? You cannot be selfish about this.
This was supposed to be for my daughter.
And it still can be.
Thank you for calling Parrot. Please state the department you'd like to speak with.
Personality modeling?
Please hold while we transfer you. Please state where in the department you'd like to be connected.
Licensing inquiries?
Please hold. Would you like to speak to a customer service agent?
Yes. Hello?